I connected a remote desktop to that virtual machine so that it can be in full screen. It's loading. So, in the meanwhile, let's discuss about what we have discussed in the previous video. In the previous video, we discussed about how to read the CSV or Excel file from Pandas, and also how to convert a CSV file to Excel file using another interdependent library. So, in this session, let's focus on CSV file. Then Excel also same logic at the end. So in this one, let me read a file. Let's say some data is equal to read of what is the file available? Names.csv is there, right? Read underscore csv. Names.csv, and with header is equal to none. Let me print the data. When I run that, okay. Yeah. So this column side is not coming. So as I discussed in the previous session, let me just copy that columns now to set that one. Data is the object, right? Create a list. Now print it. See, the columns are set now. Now, so when I have this print data, it's printing all the rows and columns, right? Instead, just say I want to print only this last name or first name. Then what I can do is I can just refer to that one. Last is November, column name. Yeah, it's printing only the last name now. Of course, index it will give. Counting purpose. Similarly, if I want to keep two values, city, why it is happening like that? Here, okay. Okay, the syntax for this is it expects a single entry. I cannot pass a double entry to this one. So what I will do is inside this list, I will pass it as another list, so that it will be a single value. That single entry is completely another list. Now you see last name and city. Let's say this complete data is treated as a list now, right? Understood? So let's say I want to print only the 1 to 3, first to 3 values. And what I can do is I can do the slice operation. Three values. Counting from 0, 3 values. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the upper limit. Let's say from 1, 3 values, then 1 and 2 is upper limit, 2 value. From 1 and upper limit is 2. So if I keep 4 here, so then it will be from index 1 to 4 minus 1, 3. So index 1 to 3. Yeah. So this is one option to print. Another one, let's see. This is the complete data. Names.csv. Till now, what I have done, I am picking that particular column name or the index values from which row to which row I want to slice them. Instead, what I can do is there is one more function called iLocation. What it will do? For this data output, iLocation is a function to which I will pass 1. Now what happened? Complete first row is printed like a list. You see? First row, row 1. This will be 0 index. This is first index. Start news and all. Let me change it to some 4. You see? 4 actually it's empty values, right? These are empty here, so that's what is showing on now. Let me keep them and run it. We'll show it over. So here what happening is it is filtering with the particular row. When I ask for 4, it is returning the row with index 4. So let's say instead of returning I will open in MS Office. So when I type 4, this one, because counting will become 0, this complete row will get entered. Now let's say if I want to get only this particular item, like sound particle. So to get this complete row, I will keep iLocation 3. But I want only this field, right? So in that case, I need to provide this C also, this column also. So when I can mention both row and column, both will be intersection point will be this one. So let's see. Let me run 2 now and let's keep 3. Seven 4 double 2 7452 terrace at the Tiger Road. Okay, this is taken as 2 and this is taken as 3. So the column count also starts with 0. So now let's say I want this PA. What is this? Second row means third index, means first index. And this is fifth column means fourth index. So 1, 4. Here. This is red. Yeah. And now let's say I am doing filtering instead of before this one, I am doing filtering with this data, right? So only city and last city, and that too records from second to 2 and 3 will come. 2 and 3 index will come. So counting from 1, last city until from 1, last city measures. Okay, counting from 1 till 4 till 3. So 1, 2, 3 will come. So 1, 2, 3 indexes are scanned. Let's say so if I don't provide this, completely stick will show. District will show only from last and city. Let's say I want to get only salary details of the employees. So first, last, city I don't need, I need income. Okay. Now when I run that, you see, I'm getting this. First, last, and income. So let's say I want only first and income. Yeah, first and income is done. Now this modified filter data, I can save it to a CSV or an Excel. How instead of printing, this is the modified data, right? This complete set, I will, let's say I will data one is equal, I'll create another variable percentage data one. Yeah, this data one, data one dot, what is the function which you used earlier? To Excel. To Excel. Let me keep salaries dot Excel assets. Yeah, not finished. These indexes are coming. You see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't want them. So whatever the extra attributes, you can just go into the documentation of the finals and you can see that here index is equal to 192. And start at 76. Now you see that indexes are gone. So this is how we do the filtering. So in the next video, I will show you the grouping, aggregate functions and all. Okay, thanks for watching this video.